Do you want me to try to share my screen for a second and see how it is?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Okay, let me try that. Tell me what you see. You see NQ?
Give me a second. It's just, all right. Okay, I think it's fixed. Can you move your screen?
How to move that?
Like just move. Like find a different place in the chart.
Like here?
Yeah, like scroll back. Wait, hold on. What the hell's going on, man? Okay. All right, I'm gonna try this thing on. Let me see.
Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing then.
Yeah. All right. Is it moving?
It is.
Yeah, we're good. Let's go.
I can see it. All right.
Thanks for the patience, guys. Let's go.
Fucking pass to get an XFA with their new dashboard and try to get in before they change the. I'm hoping they'll just not grandfather in XFAs that were passed prior to whatever rules they're changing. You know, it seems like they're going to do some stupid shit.
Does the new dashboard work on non-TSX accounts?
I don't believe so. All I know is that they're doing maintenance to it right now, so I can't even get a new combine.
Oh, I heard about that. Like, I heard that some people's accounts, saw it on Reddit, but people were complaining that they got like falsely closed XFAs. So some dude had like 3, and one was in like, I don't know, like 9,000 profit or something like that, and it got closed. And they gave him a refund on his XFA activation, but
yeah, but that doesn't.
Yeah, they didn't give him back his balance.
Bro, that does nothing. So yeah, that was a bad beat. It was an extremely frustrating stop out. Like the way that this has just been so fucking aggressive, but it seems like they want to play around some more and just not let. I don't know. It feels like it's just saying not yet. I'll be convinced when we get past this, people. You know, you could see it as a BPR, I suppose, and you could see this as a breakaway gap or a series of breakaway gaps. So we'll just inverse our original idea and see if we get a run to the CE or an attempt to make it there. And this is somehow, I guess, just if they go for it immediately, then that would be super shitty. Yeah, I guess they're going to go for it immediately, huh? We can hear you typing up a storm, whoever that is.
Oops, that's me. Let me mute.
It's all good.
My bad.
Thought I had the loudest keyboard. So right now I'm struggling with the decision to, I wanted to add more in here while we're dilly-dallying in premium. But since we've covered this and we're kind of sucking back up in there, I'll add down here and be okay with that. This second candle, if it's strong, that's going to put us in a really bad spot because it'll PO3 just a little bit, just right here, and then you'll get like a full-on straight up reversal for these, and that would form like a V shape. So I'm willing to sit through another premium test and maybe even to that. And then now I've got to see if I need to bail. The way that it rushed up there. This is so sick, bro. Okay, so I'm going to bail on it, but I'm not going to inverse myself yet because I do not like what this is doing. We may just be setting like a range for the hourly changeover. Because you could argue that this is being inverted and this is being rock climbed, like it's climbing back up through that. You could also argue that this was so fast and so strong that it's just a manipulation move. And until we get some structure that shows that original V reversal thing I was telling you about, then I'm not willing to get back in. Because I've just been chopped twice now. I've seen this happen before too, so this is also what I'm waiting on. I want to see what goes on up in this area. I've seen that happen, and it's wicked as fuck, dude. I mean, even this is sufficient to start forming. Have you guys seen this before? Where it does this? And then it goes, and you get this really weird, fucked up, grindy thing. That's also a possible variant of where we are and what we're doing right now, and of course the narrative, which is which way are we going to go, George? Do you want the top of this ORG for the original smooth body ideas, or are you trying to hit another discount array first to go fuck everybody up and make them think we're hitting the CE again? You know, we just got to figure it out. So that's what we're doing. This can go because it's been rebalanced. $15-minute wise, we're a bit of a mess. Maybe doesn't really look like it wants to go down just yet. Could be wrong. If the next 5-minute candle can get some momentum to the downside, that would be great. Okay, so we didn't even kiss the bottom of this overlapping. And this is, well, I guess we did it here. Down out of it, back into it. This is a really tough day because there's a lot of range and a lot of movement, but it's showing a lot of conflicting things. There's 3 levels of buy side to be spiked, plus these relative equals. We're not really in the priming phase, but it could be setting up for priming into the new hourly changeover. Let's go take a look at the hour and see what that looks like, okay? Ugh. Ugh. Brother, ugh.
Oh, what is this? Ugh.
Actual fuck. So if they want to lay bodies over this and clean this up, that makes a lot of sense. This came all the way down, but I've seen them come all the way up before, but not out of a tail so large. So anything above this is going to be PO3 of that candle being formed at the last of the hour. This is relevant here. This is what we're working inside of right now, aside from today's gap. There's a big figure 900 that may want to get tested. I'm also looking at this here. what did we do the halfway of that? Which is at 903. I want to see what it does to this, and then I'll make a decision. If it comes back to dip one more time, I want to grab that opportunity. May not get it. Okay, so now this becomes relevant again. And the top of this opening range gap, I'd like to see it stream very quickly forward. And if it can't do that, then anything that it does, like for retracements and stuff, I just want to see like a small range. It can get kind of scary, but I'd prefer to do something like this. And then do whatever it's going to do to the CE or come back in to discount, what have you. And if it doesn't do that, then the worst variant for me is it just collapses in another fucking opposing V reversal that you're seeing here. Which would be just so fucking supremely frustrating, but you know, that's the way it's moving today. Then, you know, we are catching a continuation entry, so that's the type of stuff you have to deal with. For targeting, if we can stay alive in this, I'd like to target somewhere. Yeah, sure, NQ. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for saving me the trouble of doing some targeting. Thanks for playing. Okay, so let's go ahead and reassess. That's the hourly changeover that we just got spiked out on. I'm sure you guys can see that and hear that happening, right? At least that's what. It's kind of blurry. Okay. Luke, let me know if you're still here. That was a bad beat. 3 bad beats in a row. Let's go somewhere in between with our position size. Let's wait out these next few candles to just let it settle a little bit, pick a direction. And then we'll start working on some recovery. That's pretty nasty, that's for sure. Okay, let me get rid of some of this. Get a little bit cleaner. That was gross. I didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. This is no longer relevant. Just look how aggressive this is. Is somebody speaking right now? Is there something happening? Watch this. See what happens with this. In fact, we may have already tagged it, yeah. I want a leader on right now. Leader position, I want to grab one of those. And then if it pumps, I'm willing to get stopped out on that. But I'm using this as a barometer for stopping price action. And seeing what they did to this as the premium array that was worked. Probably should have gone above the rejection block, but that's okay. We'll deal with it when the time comes. And in fact, while we're in here, let me scale one more before we find out if we get stopped or not. So, got my eyeballs on this. Still looks really fucking aggressive, so we might be a little bit early. We got this down here. If they leave this alone, then you could use these two as an array. And that doesn't bode well for the short, but we'll see. See, like my last stand would be another leg right up to just about that. And then, you know, if they get up there, it's likely they'll just come take me. See what the hourly has to say about this situation. Hourly looks a lot better, and you know, unless they upset this wick. So, like, if it stays good and stays heavy, you could see this as, why do I even bother analyzing NQ? Like, you just go take it. I was wanting to see this as a breakaway gap, and see this as sensitive here, as the halfway point of this wick. But clearly it has other ideas for it right now. So it's definitely wacky today. So on the way down here, if you're going to do all this to the order block, why not come touch the open of this? Doesn't make any sense. If it spikes me, I'm going to try to catch a train to the upside. Yeah, there we go. Sometimes it just feels like you have a fucking target painted on your back no matter what you try to enter on. No matter how stressful it is watching this on the 1 hour chart, it would be way more stressful getting stopped out on the 1 minute with all this shit that it's doing here. Yeah, come on, take us. Thank you. Now we can come to the 1 minute and see what just happened. That's 4 in a row, gents. That's not a very good day today. This is pretty fucked, to be honest with you. Okay, so what are we doing? What are we seeking? What are we doing here? I'm getting my original idea that we got stopped out on from here, which hurts, but it is what it is. But I'm not liking how this is stalling up here or what this structure looks like. So I'm in a bit of a pickle. Damn, it's only been 9 minutes since the hourly opened. Feels like forever. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Am I just talking to myself? Luke, can you answer me? Tell me.
I hear you.
Can,
Okay. I hear you. Don't worry.
Is there somebody speaking? Like, is that what we're having happen?
Let me check the Forex calendar. I don't think
The
so.
bond auction? Like, is something going on? Or is it just...
Well, it's what's GBP? But it says BOE
No.
Governor Bailey is speaking.
No, that doesn't happen.
It's not USD, so
That's just NQ being NQ, I guess. Fucking bitch. It's tiresome because it's starting to do. Look, I know you say, "Oh, well, it's after a large range day, and it's after a holiday." It's fuck off with that bullshit, dude. That's just the excuse he uses to not tell you that it has gotten a lot more difficult, and this price action is way more wacky than it used to be. And yes, I may have been offside and picked maybe a bad entry or two, but that doesn't change how fucked the way it's moving.
I mean, yeah, compared to the last few weeks, we've had crazy range days, so
it's just rebalancing. That's what we're suffering through right now. What I'm getting caught in is it's called feckless rebalancing, where it just is literally ping-ponging to just different, and then it slowly makes its way to a key level, stalls around the level, no reaction immediately that you'd normally see, like aggressive in one way or another. Stalls, kind of fluctuates above and below it a little bit, makes you think it's going to go both ways, and then it will do something aggressive. So that's the flavor of what we're dealing with right now. So I'm just on a sit on my hands timeout right now because I just want to see something happen, like some sort of liquidity get taken. Take that buy side or suck back into the range, do something. Oh shit, my X post is blowing up. Yeah, Top Step, if you ever come across this, fix your fucking support, please. Fix it, fix it. There's no reason why any company should have a 2-day or more turnaround for something so fucking crucial and critical as trading and money being made or lost or not being able to be made or lost because your fucking system's not working. Right? It's egregious. It's unacceptable. Make me go full lemon garb on you motherfuckers. It's so fucking unacceptable that you guys are able to talk all your shit and say you're doing all these innovations and blah, 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 and you can't even have a fucking US-based real-time support. What is wrong with you? Do better. That's my soapbox for today. I'm really pissed at them if you can't tell. Okay, so the conflicting ideas thing I was telling you about, we're literally just getting like a whole bunch of mixed signals. Like, okay, we're getting a short signal off of this. We're getting a short signal off of this. But we're seeing this as like a manipulation to the downside with an OTE spike. So yes, we want to see this filled, but we want to see buy side taken first. Have we taken buy side? No. Technically, I guess we've taken just one of these, and I've seen that happen before where they just take the one, almost grab the second one, which is what's happening here, and then we just start boogieing. We're just gone for the rest of the day. So I've got a lot of ideas in my head telling me to do one or the other, and I'm just trying to suss out which one, with a few more candles printing, which one's going to be the right one. And then we can catch a fat scalp and make some of this drawdown back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9,600 down. It does seem like this is going to be too juicy. So while we're inside this wick, I'm going to go ahead and take part in that.
You just trying to catch the momentum here?
Well, yeah, I want to see that this doesn't get violated. And let me just... Am I below it? Yeah. I want to see that this doesn't get violated. These set as relative equal lows until we take some form of more liquidity here. And if I'm wrong, we'll get that zoom downwards that I was telling you about.
Mm-hmm.
And I can just inverse and catch that along the way with maybe 6 or 7 instead of 11. But what I really like to see is us pop this here, and the space between this and the open of this order block. The fact that we drove towards it now and then tried to get it, now we're stalling. I'm just seeing this again as like a crouching below liquidity idea, and now we're getting an IRB so far to maybe try to help confirm that idea. So this one can get nasty, next one can get nasty, and then after that, your IRB's dead. Let's talk about targeting. Maybe this balance block looking thing here that failed. That would probably be a good target. Yeah, any day, TradingView, any day, thanks, appreciate it. Did you guys see the spread this morning? It was fucking crazy, dude. There was like a 20-point spread on the price being read on TradingView. It was insanity, dude. Like it was so crazy to see that I was in profit price-wise. Like the candles were way above my entry, but I was still only like $100 up.
Was that Globex?
No. It was early this morning.
Oh.
Trading this morning. It was pretty.
Nothing's keeping up with this crazy market right now.
So we're still in one of those areas where it's like, oh, well, it looks good. Well, it looks good until they fucking jank it. So I'm still halfway expecting some craziness. I would prefer to see a spike, yes, obviously, but I would accept and permit some more of this type of shit here. Take one, take two, maybe fake you out one more time with the OT and then go. That would be like the less ideal variant, but not the worst case, because obviously the worst case is we're offside and it just goes. Okay, so now we're into the major space in between. Okay, now we're poking above. We still have yet to reach the open of this order block. Again, I'll permit it to do this or risk the fact that I'm wrong and it goes and gets me. But what I'm trying to do is get not like a 2-to-1, but just like a quick scalp, maybe 1.5 R, and that would represent, you know, a good 3/4 of our drawdown that we are down today that we would have recovered if this works out. I got to be careful about an initial reaction off of this. This is all laced and nested together, so it could be a problem. Could be a problem area, like a first trouble area. That's where we could get this type of price action out of potentially. And in fact, I'd probably put it down somewhere like that. Or even more aggressive like that. So yeah, we're just playing the probabilities between it's going to dig immediately further into the order block, or it's going to do one of these scary stall out bullish reaccumulation type things. I mean, if it'll stay pumpy and not heavy, I don't want to see them inverse this, because this is a gray pool and this is an immediate rebalance with an immediate rebalance. So if they inverse this, this is all just going to turn into like a fucking BPR with a bunch of wicks that are meaningless, have no value anymore, and then they'll just crash the whole thing straight down, which is a problem for me. So I don't like that structure so much. And it makes me kind of dubious about wanting this even at this point. Yeah, it's cool. We're streaming, but it needs to close. We're streaming for my target, but it needs to close with the body. That's better. we're 10 points, gyrating 10 points above, so maybe we can catch another 5 points. And if not, we'll start coming back towards my entry. Which is extremely frustrating, but it's part of it. Let me get these over a little bit so I can see what the structure looks like. And now we wait, see what's going to happen. It feels really disrespectful today. Like, it feels personal. I don't know how else to describe it. Well, I want to see this as a bullish reaccumulation. I just don't know if they've taken enough discount yet, because if you look at this as the discount range, or the dealing range, if you will, then you could see this as the fake bearish breaker. And then you could see this as a return to discount. We get back above it and we stay strong, then it will go to my target. So that's a bit of a saving grace if it will hold for the next few candles. I don't want it to form a short-term bearish order block on me. That would suck so much. Okay, there's your MSS. That's a good sign. Got to have one more candle close to finish this out, or take our target first. Okay, there's a balance block being formed on the upside. So balance block to balance block, we should get some sort of price action to it. Because remember, there's one hiding right here. Okay. Yeah, because that makes all the fucking sense in the entire world for you to do that, bro. Sure, go ahead. Go ahead, do your thing. That's just so wacky, man. So wacky. There's that yappy dog in the background. I apologize. I mean, we did more of a BPR type thing than one of these, but we'll take it if we can get out of here. I'm seeing how, for now, the bodies have respected this low and the IRB level. And the bodies, for now, have respected this low and this order block. So now this is being time distorted, but it's being really closely time distorted. So we see this, or potentially one that comes and forms here, if it does, which would be terrible, but if it does, this would be the projection block. Waiting about 20 more seconds for it to close. Okay. This is so ugly, dude. It's just so aggressive when you don't want it to be, and not aggressive at all when you need it to be. I can't get a bead on this, guys. I'm not really sure. I should have just taken my 1-to-1 profit, I imagine, instead of trying to take that fucking target there. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tilted inside right now. Like super tilted. Oh boy. So that becomes a new order block. We go back in with 11 and we scale back in with more. That was so wacky, guys. Okay, second candle I want to print green. As long as this order block stays intact, then we're not fighting a downtrend. Oh, I've only got 19 on. Let's get that last one on there. Come on, I'm trying to buy, bud. God, I'm just getting fucking annihilated today, fellas. I don't want this to be filled yet. I just don't see it, but I guess I'm offside. If this crashes through, and we're definitely offside. I can't really think of a good spot for my stop either, so I may have gotten myself in hot water because I'm seeing them mohawk this, but they still haven't closed the body yet. So now this becomes a time distorted block, and this is the projection block until we crash. They just may have me, dude. They may have me. This is just me on tilt, everybody. Yeah, they've got me. What the fuck, dude? Oh my goodness gracious. All right, so then this becomes a target. I mean, why? Why though? All right, let's go take stock of our terrible 6 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $14, $24. Okay. So this is a balance block. Yeah, of course. Why not? That makes absolute sense for you to do that to me. I just love it. Please give me more of that. Because, you know, that balance block should definitely not hold anymore. It's definitely not a thing. Okay, guys, I've got to come back out to the 15-minute and find out why I just keep getting my ass wrecked. We're still in the premium of this. So I want to fucking sell. Let me sell, NASDAQ. You fucking piece of shit. Do you see this volume imbalance down here? This is kind of what I'm looking at. This double volume imbalance. So we draw it like this. Let's get a stop in the original fucking location. Assholes. We're inside of these bodies here. So I want to get more on if we create a civvy. Okay, let's talk about targeting. $54s. Clean this up with the body over it. You see this little baby busy down here? that would cover me in the case of this just coming and setting a relative equal low. It would also recover most of the drawdown that we've suffered through so far. Let's do this instead. Let's come down to here. See this BPR as a target. Let's take everything but 5 off, right where we were going to in the first place. And since we're doing that, let's go ahead and come to break even. Maybe I should have stayed above this, but we'll see. Come on, NQ. Can you please just go for an actual target? Will you actually deliver something, please? Would appreciate it. Thank you. All right, there's that. Whatever that's worth. Fucking atrocious. Anyways, so now we see these as relative equal lows, and we want to determine what's about to happen based off this. So we'll pull this over here. As much as I would like to say this would be a breakaway gap, I'm seeing this as an inversion gap. And this whole thing was a ploy. God, what a tough day, guys. This has just been a fucking nightmare, bro. I mean, even if I wasn't on stream taking 5 fucking losses in a row, it's just so hard to get a beat on something that actually works and sustains. I don't really see those as smooth bodies, but I do kind of now see this as like a discount array. But the IOFED'd it already. Okay, I'm just going to wait this out. Well, let's see here. You know what? Fuck it. I want to target PM FP for inversion. That's what I want to do. I just don't feel that they're done taking out people who were profitable in the morning, and there's this huge spot here. And there's all these smooth bodies and smooth areas of price, and this has just been made so fucking jagged, and every time it does it, it just goes and sweeps, maybe sweeps right there and takes me, but I'll get back in if that's the case. It certainly looks heavy, but I'm expecting a jank move. That's why I'm longing this. Like if I didn't have the narrative in mind, everything would be super fucking bearish right now. And again, look, I could be wrong. But I smell a pump. Say like at the very least an attempt to be made to get back to FP. And I don't know why I'm 1-to-1ing this, because if they do that, they're going to come grab this. We can scale half off and recover some drawdown here. And a little bit if it comes up above. Let's say the EQ this, we might be sitting decent to get close to where we started. I am running an initial protective stop, so like my real stop is right about 45s. If it gets there, I'll consider just closing it out. But I'm basically seeing this as being reworked and done with, if that makes sense. This little tiny gap right here. Inside the BPR, inside the OTE leg, inside the breaker swing, inside the breaker. You got a lot going on there. And it just seems like they're going to want to use all that to seek the first presentation as a buy side target. So I have all that back in me. My initial protective stop is double what I'd be risking normally. So if I'm risking 5, that means I'm a little bit better than 1-to-1 right now. And I want to see at least up into here. And test this again. Let's go a little bit more than half off. I may have missed my shot. Yeah, that doesn't look good. We're going to chunk out here. I think I missed my chance to take profit there. And I'm not willing to fuck around with it. What a tough market, man. Because you would think that's bearish, right? And it could be, but it seems like this is just a jank move to do this. And then they can decide what they want to do from there. This is so wicked. Wicked price action. See, there they go with it. Let me show you my shot face. Okay. It actually still could set up just like this, just exactly like this. It just all depends on these next few candles and what they do, if they can load up on this or not. Okay, so if this pattern holds or if it breaks, it'll break around 64s. What a fucking day, man. What a fucking day, bro. Buy side taken, sell side target achieved already, and just banging around in the middle now. Just rebalance.
We've got midnight open at 18,700, 703. So I wonder if they're going to consolidate down into that.
Well, I mean, that's also pretty close. It's right above the CE of the opening range gap. And you have our original targets that we were looking for. Remember? So, totally feasible. The 500 points makes me feel like it's not going to happen.
I know. I feel like it's hard to figure out what they want to do here right now.
I'm going to throw a leader in. I wanted to do it before it started pumping, but I'm going to do it instead of waiting on the rest of this. Well, I can't do it now. I guess I can. Yeah. Let's get rid of the Janko meter. See this as BPR. Oh, they might be using this. Okay, so then we'll look at this whole thing as one single fair value gap, and this is the discount array that needs to hold. And then we'll find volume imbalance if it's there. Nope, it's not there. Okay. Okay, we've got a balance block here. But they've been janking them constantly, so I'm not putting my stop there, that's for sure. Got this that needs to stay sensitive, so we'll mark that out. Yeah, of course. Sure, just run right fucking through it as soon as I talk about it. I just love when you do that. It's amazing. No respect whatsoever, dude. Do you see how they just keep... That's why I'm longing, guys, because they just keep selling the idea of shorts. Oh, we're going to short. Nope. Oh, we're going to short. Nope. Oh, we're going to short. Nope. And it just keeps happening over and over and over without really getting to any of the things that we're looking for up here, like these smooth, relative equals, so on and so forth. All right, let's talk about targeting, because I may just need to be scalping this consolidation range. the balance block. Reduce my risk so that I can afford to take profit if I need to. Wow, I've been having a tough day all around. 2.5 in premium. Overlap with the 3.5, so we'll hold for that, probably. Smooth bodies right here, with the volume imbalance over here. Yeah, you know, it's great, but I think I've learned my lesson about holding too long. So we'll just hold the runner instead of the full position. We could use this. If we really want to get animated to the upside, we could use both of these as OTE swings. And the breaker as well. There was an unprecedented amount of order slipping and just really all around fucked upness in this whole, like everything today has just been, it's just been a little bit more nasty than I've ever seen it in recent times. Okay, so we're getting some good overlap here. We got 4 of them, 4 on the floor here and here. So then when you have that happen, what you can do is you can just, again, yesterday I was talking about how it's pretty cool that these reference points or structure points that we're measuring in price oftentimes are lining up or bracketing where you would think stop losses are, like the pools of liquidity, a number of points above or beyond these highs. You notice how these are all being bracketed, especially if you draw from overlap area to overlap area from the lowest to the highest. From here to here. Where are we at? Overlap area, yep, right there. And that's about 150 points. So that would represent a high time frame purge of these levels, which is AM session. So then that would be up close on the day. And we could take 1 off here. Right there. And then I would hold for the top. Right there. Let me take a break from sharing my screen, see if I can get a combine loaded up real quick, and maybe we'll take a while.
Sounds good, brother. You helped me pass one, so I know.
Good. I'm glad somebody got something out of that, bro. That was like, I know we took a bunch of shots and paper cuts where I was floating open profit, and I just never took it yesterday, and it ended up like taking hella losses on paper. And somewhat of a similar thing today. The first 2, I think, were just offside. But the way that they happened today just felt so much more personal, if that makes sense. All right, give me a second.
Hey guys, Chad is just buying an account.
I'm trying to.
Make sure TP do not combine. No, not top step, please. Are you getting top step?
Yeah.
No.
Why, bro?
You have to pause it, and then after you pause it, you're gonna be presented with like instead of being happy, you're gonna be taken on.
No, I want to get one passed before they do this stupid whatever rule change, like whatever he's trying to do, you know?
Let's play this for you guys to get you guys a little bit.
Real Weber shit.
That's loud as fuck. We are undergoing some routine maintenance. Purchasing is disabled at this time. Please try again later. Oh. Okay. What to do, boys? What to do? I guess it just wasn't meant to be.
I'm sorry. Oh shit. Oh, new bandages.
What's up, Waleed?
What up? What up? What it's saying? Use chode Shisha for 9% off. Chode.
Is that a code that's wider than it is long?
Yes.
Oh, we all had weird childhoods, didn't we?
There's this cute waitress behind me, so they're trying to make me talk to them.
Some of the jokes they used to tell in the 90s at middle school, so looking back on them, totally out of Well, if I had an XFA, a combine, or even something like on TPT that wasn't already fully passed or max profited, because the Pro I blew out this morning on intraday trailing trying to pass it. If I had one, I'd be really careful about getting in right about now, because of what we just did to the top of that open range gap and the timing of the day. Now we're into like a PM silver bullet type deal. So the whole narrative can change really quick. So this is what we were targeting on the way to the upside. And so it should be expected to be sensitive. ONQ, what the F? So here's a little bitty gray pool down here. Do you see those two wicks? That's going to have to act as an OTE last stand so they can wick through it, but the body should respect it, or we're just going to careen down for all of this here. Frustrating, but at least we pulled something off before. Here again, I'm doing the same idea. I want to see this as inversion. This was just a return to the first fair value gap. Priming, 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 bouncing. Just really just fucking doing nasty shit. So I'm just trading towards the center of each of these ranges to see if I can actually catch the tiger by the tail, and maybe we'll be able to take a direction finally for once.
Is this in a combine?
No, I wasn't able to get one. So I'm taking a trade as if I was in the combine. So my standard sizing is usually like 6, 5, 6, 7 to try to pass in one day or max profit in one day. Okay, I'll look to jump back in if I see something good. So that is like 1,200, 1,100, 1,200 with the spread away from passing, or I guess max profiting a first day combine. And I was just trading back towards the middle of it, because if we're just going to be consolidating, I'm just going to be taking every extreme back towards the middle and hopefully catching a run onto the other side if I get back in. You can look at this as like the original OTE thing I was looking for now. But there's a lot of smoothness down here that makes me really suspect, to be honest with you. Just real sus. Like super sus. Like so sus, it makes me want to go like this. Okay, so now I'll ride the tiger if it will let me, and it's not just doing some bullshit OTE of an OTE leg and to come back up. If it is, that means I need to get out somewhere around, right around here-ish, if it'll give it to me. Nope. Maybe? We'll see.
You're gonna get it, brother. You're gonna get it.
God, I hope I get it. I hope I get it. How many people does he need?
We don't have music, so we have Chadley singing for us.
I wish Drake was in here because he would get it. We both love Land of the Lost. It's one of our favorite movies. Okay, so sort of just like diddling in the middle here. It could go either way, really. Seems like it tried to OTE. All right, so let's take a look what we got here. Another 1K If we close this out, it'll be 800. But if we let it ride to a 1,000, then that represents max profit on a combine that I can't even fucking get because they're doing maintenance, whatever that means. It's not a good first look for my first experience with their new dashboard, I'll tell you that. I'm not convinced by this. I don't see this as convincing until we get like a body above this. Just waiting for something to show its face.
Patrick just passed an account on TPT. Thank you, Chad.
Let's go, Patrick. I'm so glad for you, man. Now be careful on that intraday trailing drawdown shit. Dude, I got halfway to passing and then it just absolutely fucking smoked me and went straight to my target. Like within 15 seconds, all of that happened. I was just sitting there in shock. Like, oh wait, where'd the position go? What the fuck?
It sucks, bro.
And it's gone. It's just part of it, man. But look, when you pass it and you get past the buffer, it's such a glorious feeling with TPT to just be able to make your money for the day. At the end of the day, put in your payout request, and it's already like literally within an hour, it's safe to trade. If you feel like being a degenerate or whatever, I don't like doing that, but it's safe to trade immediately when you wake up because it's already been taken the night before. So you get paid when you wake up and you can trade again when you wake up. And it's just like this constant cycle of getting paid. And if you'll give me a second here, let me stop my screen and I'll log in. I've had some trouble getting back above the buffer these past 2 attempts since my last payout. But I did pretty good.
Chad, I think Patrick made 3K on his 50K. So
On a
you
fund?
forgot about the consistency. No. Like,
Oh, nice, dude.
he has
Well
to
done.
operations spam micro to this 1500.
Well, good luck to you, buddy. All right. Do you guys see this? Can you see my screen? Am I still here?
Let's go. Yeah, brother, we can hear you.
Okay. Doxed.
Let's fucking go.
So this is the streak or the run I had with TPT. I've never had a run like this with Top Step. It's been like grab a payout, struggle bust my way to another one, struggle bust my way to a third one, maybe get a fourth one, and then try to rush it, and then it's gone. And you're always having to get above this crazy fucking buffer, and you can only take 50%, so you have to always make double what you think you want in order to take what you need. It's like stacked against you, bro. And yes, the intraday trailing drawdown is stacked against me. It's almost like pick your poison. Which one do you want to fight against? But for me, I had a lot more success just being able to literally pay myself for my good work and my good trading. And my average size in this was like 4 to 6, maybe 7 minis. And I was just scalping like I normally do, like scalp 15, 20, 25 points, something like that.
That's insane, bro. That's the power. Once you pass or go over the buffer, it's just dream.
Bro, I used to do like classical model entries and like OTE, and it's just I got so fucking sick of being up 150 points in my model telling me hold through the close. And then I come back, it's like, oh, I feel great. I have all this time away from my computer. And then you come back to a loss after you've seen that it's gone like 170 points in your favor. That was so fucking demoralizing. I instantly became a scalper. So yeah, I mean, I've got the ability to do it. I've just had a little bit of trouble getting past this fucking intraday trailing so far, but we'll make it happen. How's that for a candle, y'all? How do you like that candle? It's not even the new 15-minute candle yet, but look at that. $52-point candle, no big deal. No biggie, y'all. That's how we do it around here. I may be a little early to the party, but we're just going to run a tight stop and see what we can pull off here. Okay, that's about 15, 20 points. Then we go to break even. Oh, that's max profit on a combine, by the way. If they would have let me done it, this is what I would have been trading.
That's beautiful, man.
Fucking top step. Okay, yeah, I know.
Break a block in a Fiji.
Or we just need to pressure the fuck out of them to get rid of that damn intraday trailing. If they do that, oh my god.
Yeah, I think they're bankrupt if they do that.
Well, I think they know that too, so it's it's like maybe there's a middle ground somewhere.
If they took off that trailing drawdown, like they're going to be top of the industry.
That's why I'm saying, like, maybe it could, if they did some sort of tweak on a different part of it, they could still end up top dog, and everybody would love them, and they wouldn't go bankrupt. But no, that would be too easy. Why would a business owner make sound business decisions for their business and their customers? That never happens.
Do props get like a better deal from the brokerages if they use like trailing drawdown or something? Like it seems like all these other props are using trailing.
No, it's because it's easier to make people fail at this trading, bro.
I can't speak to that part, but I can just tell you everybody has their own formula that they've just kind of copied. It's like copying somebody's business plan and then changing it a little bit to try to make the math work to be unique. And then, now I've waited so long to launch my prop firm that there's 17,000 prop firms, and each of them have their own somewhat slightly the same but different model. So now my options for making a business model are limited. That's just kind of where I think they got squeezed into a box of what was possible. And there's very little innovation in terms of eval and payout structure and stuff like that.
I think like all these prop spaces keep coming out, and then I'm like, oh, that's cool. And then I look at what they've got for a business model, and then I'm like, nah. I'm like, I'm good.
And it's always like, oh, that's great. It's like the girl meme where she's like, she's like,
yeah, the kombucha girl.
Yeah, she's like, wait, no, but maybe. And it's always like that because you see it and it's like, oh, these rules are good. These are great. I can handle that. This works with my trading style and my psychology. and then you come across that one rule where it's just like an instant deal breaker, and you just log off the site with disgust. Like, ugh, how dare you? Fucking Apex.
I know I saw that 90% sale from Apex too. I was like, ooh, and then I'm like, wait, but this Apex.
I went back for the first time into their payout rules, and I was like hovering over the buy button for the 300K. I was like, oh, no.
Do I really want?
No, thanks.
Apex is like playing deals with the devil. Like, yeah, it's great at first, and then you're gonna get like buyer's remorse and
Yes.
try taking a payout. Oh, but you might be like that one dude that got like $2.5 million wire.
He only got it because he complained enough, or he didn't complain, but he like got enough attention on him from other influencers that they finally paid him out. He had been waiting for like 4.5 weeks, I believe.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
He like put them on blast too, like right, all the social medias.
That's how you gotta do it, man. They don't. Kind of like what I had to do today. I was like, man, stop talking about all this other shit, Michael, and just fucking fix your support. Like, how are you so dense that you don't see how bad it is? 2 fucking days. Get the fuck out of here. All right, so again, we're just doing this ping pong shit off the top of the ORG. Not really much happening in terms of like cleanliness for a silver bullet. But we do have a spooling coming up, so maybe we can do something with that. We'll have to wait a few minutes.
I thought Silver Bullet was patched, bro.
Yeah, it seems like it, doesn't it? Look at this morning's, it looks like trash. Yeah.
Yeah, Silver Bullet
thanks
was
for
to
this-
play out. You go to the
Thanks for
upside.
this. Thanks for the silver bullet, yo. Oh, okay, Michael. Yeah, this was the silver bullet. We somehow should have known some secret special rule that there was going to be clean during this time, right? But you won't fucking tell us about it, so we got to figure it out on our own. But it changes every day. It's never the static time that you think it is. So sure, it's not patched. Something's different, dude. Something's different.
Has to be between 10 and 11, not 11:01.
Okay, here we are again. So,
Oh, they're gonna run it, huh?
well, maybe, but whatever they do, it's going to be something hopefully more than this wick. So I'm using this wick as a discount array, using this as accelerant, and I want to see these smooth bodies as my target for a premium array. And then I got to be careful to either load up on the actual discount array if I'm wrong, and we're coming back for some of this bullshit down here. I either have to get out, reposition, and long again, or just add some more, or accept some sort of stop on a tight stop. So that's kind of the plan that we got going on here.
I'm gonna long this with you on paper.
Okay. All right. For Shisha. Dude, I was just like waiting on Luke to give me a name because I forget what ICT named that array. It's either an implied fair value gap or an implied order block. I forget which one. But until we find the name, we're just going to call it implied Shisha, and he can have an aneurysm if he comes across it in the video.
So if I draw a fib from the swing low to 963, which is kind of like that ish swing high, can target one standard deviation 19,177. But that seems aggressive. I don't know.
Well, let's see. You've got OTE structure here to base your decisions off of your targeting. You got a lot of stuff. Now, what I was talking about yesterday or the day before could be happening here, where you have this fucking orgy of evidence pointing to the upside, and then everything collapses. It's like, well, what are you doing? I've got all these OTE swings. Well, guess what, buddy? Those are priming. So that is a possibility here. I'd really want to see them just escape this fucking ORG.
Yeah.
So ugly, so ugly, ugly, ugly.
I've got a 490 tick stop loss.
Bro, I literally top ticked this buy, and it makes me feel so bad inside. I can't believe it, bro.
There.
Don't you think we're going to your original target about 1870? 18670 was it?
I don't think we're going for anything, man. I think we're just aimlessly wandering around, balancing every single swing, taking over everything that just got printed.
Yeah, I just saw the chart now.
Holy shit. So that was another bad beat. I think, what, 10K? 11K? I am not convinced. You have not convinced me.
I don't know what to skip today, guys. I don't want to go home.
Oh shit, it's popping in the club. I said we're buying now, NQ. I said we're buying now, okay? I said we're buying your stupid jank equal lows that you're setting. Mm-hmm. No, that doesn't look good. It'll probably close. Yeah. Oh, okay. Make up your mind there, bub. What is this swing? Oh, that's not bad. It's like a 20-point swing for it to figure itself out. I'm trying to buy this as a discount array, but I think they're going to invert it. So I'm going to be ready to bail out of this again. Turtle soup, though. Turtle soup. Relative equal lows with the turtle soup. Could we? Could we really? The whole thing of this buy idea, it hinged on this getting invalidated, not respected. I may be before my time, people. It was pretty scary there for a second. It's not over. You guys should definitely be on like a single micro. If you've been doing anything in this, it should be single micro. If they come back from here, I deserve to get stopped out at these equal lows, okay? If they run them immediately, there's just absolutely no way the longs are going to work. So that's where we are. We're going to take another 14K if that's the case. But if not, we're going to get some giant pump action.
Rookie numbers.
For paper, I suppose. I said we're priming. We're priming and then using the spooling macro to go for the SIBI, you asshole, not for liquidity. buddy. Oh, come on. Stressful. Very, very stressful.
Oh yeah, this is the market we were promised, Trump.
Yeah, this is definitely not what I was expecting, I'll tell you that.
18700.
Yeah, look, I get it, bro, but even the fact that they did the most bearish thing they possibly could have done, which is set equal lows and immediately fucking come for them.
Yeah.
I feel it, bro. I've got a jank meter, man, and it's like screaming inside of me. Like, this is not, they're just trying to get everybody short, dude. I'm gonna start building a leader position back in because I'm just absolutely convinced this is a fake downside move. 100 fucking % convinced.
My 500 long is now. How many ticks am I away from my entry?
Oh my god, dude, I'm so tilted.
I am 265 ticks away from entry. Oh, it's so bad today.
Hold for Valhalla. I just want you to set something meaningful and then respect the meaningful structure so that I can please find a nice spot for a stop loss in this scary, crazy back and forth consolidation junk. Is that so much to ask? Thank you. Every time we dip, I'm building. Yikes, 26K. Woo! Mr. Click Clacky.
Oops. Gotta mute myself when I'm clacking.
Jan, come here. Do you stay?
What was that?
Your junk meter is now satisfied.
Halfway. If this is anything other than an order block being set, then we'll be good. Smooth. It's jagged, bro. One of my sharks is jagged, Michael. What am I doing wrong, bro? What's the deal, man? It's as jagged as it's gonna get. It's a big ass fucking gap. We already tried to go for CE.
That shark reference, wasn't that like his like very first few videos from Core Concept or Core Mentorship? Because I vaguely recall him talking about sharks.
Oh, well, if it is, I definitely missed it because it was from August 2024 when he's talking about his pre-market lectures, how to determine pre-market what's going to go down. Hey, look, jank. It's the jank we all have come to know and love.
Did we rebalance those wicks? Is that what happened? Yeah, we got some wicks at 860.
I'm basically just sticking with the long idea because I think they're trying to sell the short idea to everybody, and also I'm doing the same thing we did on this run and this one, this one, where we're just coming back into the center of these crazy consolidation ranges. I'm just shooting back towards the center and hoping I can finally catch. Finally, can we get, can we stop doing this fucking bullshit, bro? Please, can we stop that? And that. We'll see. It remains to be seen. But it is pretty clear to me that if it comes back down, then they'll likely actually let it continue or just extend it at the very least down to here. That's so ugly, bro. This is ugliness. It's like every time I set a stop, they come right for it, but they won't continue. They won't do the inverse idea. So it's like, what do you want from me in queue? Do you want me to just like not run a stop like I usually do? What's the deal? I'm gonna buy at the bottom of this. All the way up out of this fucker.
Just a quick announcement, guys. We are doing 2 Take Profit 50K eval giveaway this Friday. Special to our Discord and stream.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
After all, why shouldn't you come take my stop every fucking time I put it in place? Why not? It makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside, dude. Oh boy. I missed my shot. Potentially. Oh, come on. Oh, bro. You really want to put me on tilt today. That's fucked. Man, I can't believe I just...
Add more. You're gonna get it. My Janko meter is on fire.
Oh, well, I hope you're, just for that, fuck them.
My Janko meter is not that good, bro. My Janko meter is not that good.
Just for that. Fuck y'all. That was crazy.
You know you're on a good day when you're tilting on paper and not your actual account, though.
Yeah, that's true. Come on, man. That was just so fucking unnecessary. Yeah, they're gonna get me. So now we're starting this downward grind shit. It seems to indicate that this is gonna be the nasty top for the local top here. Man, that was a bad beat. Ugh. Even though I know it will stream, if I get taken out, it'll stream down here. I don't think it's worth it immediately chasing back in. So I'm just going to let the probability play out and see what happens. If it keeps playing with my emotions, I might just 1-to-1 it, if it'll give it to me. Keyword if. Nope. I'm not being nimble enough. This is sort of like the first day that we streamed.
Brother. Ugh.
Yeah, man. I totally feel that. Oh, pick a direction, please.
I am still 171 ticks down from entry.
I'm once again asking for you to actually make up your mind. Ooh.
the worst.
I'm not a big fan of that. That's like a death sentence to my position if we can't get back above it. God, you guys are making this look so bearish, but I know it's not going to be bearish, dude. It's got me struggling.
I didn't think you're a joker, bro.
This is some wild, wacky stuff, that's for sure. All right, now I'm not seeing any sustained moves at all yet, but got about another 10 minutes to see if this macro is going to let us do it again.
I think take profit and then smack short.
I've been contemplating that for like the past 3 minutes. I think it's too late now. They got me. God damn, dude.
Right. Flip a short, flip a short. For the culture.
No, I'll show you for the culture. I can't believe they did me like that. I can't believe they did me like that, man. It's so fucked. Oh, I'm so tilted. It's very aggressive, man.
I just peeped at the 30-minute. That is hella ugly.
I don't believe you guys when you keep trying to put this down. I don't believe it, man. Something in my gut is telling me that they're just trying to sucker people in, bro. So I'm fighting structure with instinct, and it's not readily apparent whether they're going to let me win. I just don't see the reason for all of this, bro, to poke it and not continue.
Yeah, especially after a 490-point move to the upside today. Well, actually, now that I say that, maybe we are rebalancing. I don't know. Sorry, I don't want to mess up your trade.
It's just a fucking paper trade, and it's not been going very well, so you say whatever you want. I feel like I've run a marathon, to be honest with you. Like, my whole body is just fucking tingling with rage right now.
Oh, yeah, it's one of those days.
I just feel so angry at how this has just been going. And I'm really glad to be on paper. And you guys hopefully are in micros or on paper too during this time where it's just been sitting here doing nothing.
I'm just gonna short here to midnight open. I don't know.
Yeah, do your thing, man. You might catch it.
I was long, but it, like, I don't know. After like 400 ticks to the downside, I'm like, maybe I'm off sides.
I do not believe your shorts, you motherfuckers. I don't believe them. It's just, I don't think so. Well, maybe guys, maybe you got me. I can't wrap my head around it, y'all.
$703, $703. Give me that $703.
Try one shot. One.
No. I refuse. I fucking refuse to do it.
If you short indices, you're a commie.
Yes, thank you. Now you understand my reasoning.
I won't tell anyone else. I swear.
I'm buying every low until I'm out of paper money. That's what we're doing today, dude. And it would represent me buying every low with a single mini on a combine. I do the same fucking thing, bro. I'm sticking with my bias. I don't believe this shit. I don't believe this.
And it is in 420 contract short right now.
But if you look,
yeah, let's go, baby.
We're like hovering above 0.5 standard deviation from this low here to this high. Now, are those significant levels? I have no idea, but oh, well, look, it's a shot before.
For you, Anaton. Oh no, I can't get to 4. I'm just sitting here looking like a jackass with 300. I can't get to 420. I don't have enough.
Oh no.
Okay, so now it's we're right or we bust. That's where we're at. We're right on the jank or we get busted out on this huge drop.
I'm gonna move this all the way up above NYPM then.
Come on, give me the irrational moves that come out of nowhere for no fucking reason against my short positions when I'm in a real fucking funded or XFA account. Like, give me that. I want that. I want that purple stuff. Yeah, a little bit of that. Little baby taste of it. Well, we had to go bankrupt to get there, boys. But it's looking pretty good so far. Let me take some of this stupid fucking socks off. I couldn't get the 14. Okay, back up to new equity highs with unreasonable size. Oh my God, what are you even doing? What are you even doing, NQ? This is just fucking insanity. So it's the same thing. You know, I got smoked on this here. It's just fucking relentless grinding bullshit. it was just extending the consolidation range down to fake everybody out on a short again. And now the same idea here applies. We're just trying to long every return back to the center that we can. And eventually, because it lines up with our bias, eventually we are hoping that this will break out and leave the CE of this completely fucking alone.
Yeah, my shorts are hovering at break even. So they'll probably, oh, maybe they will take it up. What time is it? 11:50? 11:49. So we got like 10 more minutes until we hit the nice power hour. Power or sour hour?
So we got Gallbeck's Sour Hour, AM Patch, PM Patch. Lunchtime is just lunchtime. We don't even need a special name for that one. Oh my god.
Ironically, lunchtime has been great these past couple of weeks.
We got a couple nice runs, sure. And they just take it all away from you.
I know that ICT is always saying to stay out of lunch, but they had let's see. Okay, the 11 o'clock candle sucked ass, but then after that, you get like some cleanish moves.
They really want everybody to fucking short, man. Dude, I'm just not buying it, bro. You cannot fucking trick me this time. I'm so tilted at this price action. And I'm so hung up on being wrong. You can tell. It's like,
Because it's jank.
it's just, it's wrong for the wrong reason. Yucky. It's very rare that you'll see it be that flat and end up being the top. I've rarely seen this structure be so fucking flat, and it just like leaves it as the top for the day for an intraday swing. I mean, I guess that's what we got going on here. This looks so absolutely convincing, like bearish institutional order flow. And sure, if I had been following it, I'd made money, I guess, until I didn't. But it just feels like a fucking trap. Block and a block, okay.
It's not going anywhere. Luke, we got another chotch, but no sweep.
SMTs.
Every time you come in, we get 95% background and 5% Luke.
Really?
There you go. Hey, that's better. If you're closer to your mic, we can hear you.
It's bad now, right?
Yes. for America. For America? Come on now. I'm seeing this is being rebalanced right now. And I'd like to see a little reaction off of that back to the EQ or something here. At least maybe a run back to the rejection block or past these equal highs. And then I don't think he's addressed this, but setting equal lows or relative equal lows, if they stay this way, obviously, right before the hourly changeover, I think you could probably see that just as part of the hourly priming as well. So that's why I'm willing to do this kind of retail style. Let me try to catch this fucker. We'll go, it looks good till it's not. So the next few candles can take us, but we'll be happy getting taken right here. Let's go right there with it. Okay, so now I want to see these used as an accelerant and not any stalling whatsoever. A huge busy, a busy that closes above this, even this is what you prefer to see here. And yeah, so it would form like a W, and then you could see some retracement and then go to bounce off this here. Let's go ahead and get locked in this time. I'm so tired of open floating and then getting my shit packed in. So we're just gonna lock in whatever we can. I like these. I like a very aggressive, strong run above these. That would be amazing. And then the thing I mentioned before is like this seems like a nice premium target to take some partials at.
Oh, my poor short.
Yeah. Bro, you said that with such pain in your voice, it made me laugh so hard.
It's okay, chat. You can laugh at my paper losses.
I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing with you.
Maybe I can get out at break even. If they bring
Don't
it back
make it the roller coaster, man. Oh, hey, we broke even. And they go down the next leg. Oh, and it goes to the poorhouse. I fucking love that so much.
it's so relevant.
Oh,
If they bring it back down to 885, I can get out.
Memes are so amazing. Hey, you might get that. You might get it, Bob.
And then I can
They're gonna miss it by a
pull
couple.
port.
That would be amazing if they missed it by a few points. Oh,
Oh, get me out.
there you go. There you go.
Oh, it's not filling me yet. It didn't
Trading
fill me. It's not. Oh, there we go.
Trading view, right? Do I even have to ask?
Here, now I can
Could
do
you-
420 long.
Could
Let's
you imagine,
go.
bro? Could you even imagine being on TradingView with like a top step account linked to Trade of 8 right now today, or this morning when the spread was like that? That was so crazy. I guess it wasn't the spread. It was a candle delay. It was just like it couldn't
That's
catch up.
annoying. I'm glad that I overslept because it looks clean when you're looking at it in hindsight, but
Yeah.
I don't know, from what you're describing, it's kind of scary.
It worked in my favor eventually, but don't tell them, okay? Shh.
I thought that the talk is trying to what is it, like not legalize. They're trying to like I forgot the word. normalized, or they're trying to do something with the prop firm industry. He has like some proposal out there where he's trying to get all these influencers on to like standardize the prop firm industry.
No, it's just them getting together to do data harvesting and sharing of all their customers' trends and stuff, so they can all improve their bottom line and be more efficient. And then they're going to couch it, of course, in these nice. Fuck you, NQ. Like seriously, fuck you, man. Like fuck you in your stupid fucking face. Can just one of your moves actually be real? Would that be so hard? Sorry, go ahead. Yeah, I would think, just to wrap it up, I think they're going to continue to get more nefarious and then continue to keep gaslighting people to think that it's for your benefit. It's most definitely not. We skimmed a little cream, but that still made me really angry.
Oh.
Oh, my shorts worked out.
My shorts worked out after I got out, and then went long. I flipped bias and then regret. Oh well.
Turtles.
Maybe they're just retesting it. I don't know. This is awful. This is so jank.
More.
I hope no one's actually trading this right now, because I don't know how you can make any money.
They could probably get away with a single micro, and even that might be causing them some pain. So y'all do what you want, you're big boys and girls, but I am having a really tough time staying on not on side, but just on track with the momentum reversals. We get some tunes, Luke.
Bro, I've been trying since the morning. I don't know. I think I broke it.
You broke it?
I think I broke it. Yeah. I think you can play Charlie some of your tunes.
No.
But make sure they're
I'll
royalty
get you
free.
copyright struck. I don't want to do it.
You can start like low fee, whatever.
I gotta bail. They're gonna make me bail.
Actually, if you take one shot, I'm gonna buy you a shisha.
What are shorts?
Yeah,
Bro?
the twos position.
What are those?
What are those?
Yeah, the lo-fi isn't turning on. It's just spinning, Luke.
Yeah, man. I've been trying since the morning. I can't believe we had like a 6-hour stream with no music. I'm
That's
sorry,
funny.
guys.
I am once again not able to do 420 contracts, so now I feel bad, and we're gonna blow or go with this fucking thing. So
It's a skill issue.
skill issue. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. This is wild, wacky stuff, y'all. You're not gonna convince me, dude. I just don't see it happening. Okay. So then where's that put the quarters? Wow, they really got me. Jesus.
I'm buying Nike stuff.
Walkie slush, boys and girls. That's it. They got me on this run now. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Holy shit. What do you want? And Q, just tell me what you want, man.
700. I want 700.
Bro, I'm doubling my position now to the downside. I'm getting tilt. $700 or bust.
Bro's upgrading his 420 contract to 720.
Oh, I did 840. I miscalculated. Look at that.
So there's 4 macros in this last hour. One of them just took liquidity. We're halfway through it. We need to retrace. The other should take internal SIBI somewhere, so maybe we can target this. If I'm right, I'm not going to get. It's either a blow or go. That's what we started with. But if we do go, this unfilled portion is what I'm looking at for the short term. No, they may just get me. Fuck. Yeah. It was good while it lasted. Can't take it anymore, dude. I can't fucking take it anymore. I just can't take it, dude. I can't. It's so relentless, man. It's just so fucking relentless. And I know we're going to end the day up with an up move. Watch. Just watch.
Maybe on mock.
Oh, boy. They
So
put me
we've
over.
got a 1 minute fair value gap from the 1227 candle that might be last support here, and then maybe it'll go to the wick and then, or sorry, it'll go to the C and then jump out maybe.
Wow, I should have just left it, man. Oh, well.
You say that, but
Look how they closed above this.
are you winning, son?
No, I am definitely, most definitely not winning. I'm getting blender cycled. I'm floating. I'm successfully floating multiple times, and then it just comes right back on me. It's just part of it. You see how I had to click that 3 fucking times for it to actually work? What is the point of a 1-click order button? That's 3 clicks. Somebody explain that at TradingView. Come on. Yeah, it's not looking so hot, fellas. This makes me want to crawl into bed and just go to sleep for the rest of the day, to be honest with y'all. Like this is like one of my worst performances I've ever fucking done on paper. Even worse than the first day. It does seem rather bearish still, even with this up move.
Oh my gosh, what is this crap?
Fuck yes, dude. Fuck yes. GG's to Prince, man. I don't know how you did it today, bro. You pull out 5K on a TPT. Well done. Well done, sir.
That's insane.
Somebody's winning today. That's good.
That's insane, bro. 5K, and that's above the buffer, bro.
That's amazing. Light work.
Oh, dream, bro. Dream.
Anakin. Yeah.
Oops. Okay, my bad.
They're just gonna keep making me have to fucking reposition this shit, man.
Just give in, man. Give in. Become a commie. Short
Give
this.
in. I won't do it, man. I won't do it. I can feel this run coming, dude. I've felt it for like an hour and a half, bro.
Short this fucker.
Something in my subconscious is like fucking screaming at me. Dude, you've seen this before. You've seen this before.
What did you draw here? Is this an OB?
It's a breaker. For
Breaker. Okay. So okay, that's the same breaker that I was looking at, along with you got a fair value gap there too. So there's a ton of support here.
all the better for it to wreck you with. This is so fucking relentless, bro. It just will not stop. Ugh. You're in the second macro of the hour. You should be doing something differently. Please do that. Thank you. Got a little OTE action happening with some flat areas that need to be cleaned up. I just don't know what the deal is, bro.
Ah, yes.
Wolf in the house. Welcome, brother.
Yeah, if somebody wants to trade this and go short, please. Like, let me kick my screen off, and we'll just. I'm either gonna go bust here in a second, or we're gonna have the most based recovery ever.
Give me that London open, midnight open.
As a matter of fact, let me reposition one more time first. God dang, bro. What the fuck are y'all making me do? Oh! Stress. Monkey stress. Monkey press button stress.
Charlie, I think if we tap 805, you're gonna get a really nice pump.
I'm just being stubborn, bro. I'm so stubborn and tilted right now that I refuse to let them get me in a short position just to fucking run it. I can't handle that today, so I'm just gonna go broke on paper. Buying
You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. 805. You're gonna get your reversal.
Maybe.
Upwards. BPR there. Me. Just rose. 805.
It's just been a while since I've been in price action. That's been so fucking infuriating, dude. The way that it's doing this is just, it's got me by the balls. Just so tilted. Ah, so nasty, dude. Come on.
It's jank.
It's like a funeral parlor in here. A graveyard. A graveyard of broken dreams.
Now we hit 805, Charlie. Expect a nice pump up now. This is the last result for longs.
It just doesn't want to stop, guys. It just relentlessly trending down.
Give it 10 seconds. I'm pulling through right now.
Bro. It feels like it's been 45 minutes and I'm only 145 ticks in profit. I feel like it's been a lifetime. What year is it?
You can trade places with my account if you want. We're almost dusted, homie.
Here,
It's
where
about
am I at? Where am I at?
on this last move here.
I've got the worst short entry.
First time. This is just
I don't know, man. I feel like they're just.
wild to me, dude. It's
gonna-
such a fucking trap, bro. You're gonna make me reposition again, dude. Wow, just really wow. All I have to say is my God.
Yeah, they're inversing this fair value gap. They're going to turn it into IFAG. Oh, it's a BPR actually. Look at that. I didn't even realize. I'm dumb.
See, you guys are playing PD Race and you're having a great time right now. I'm playing narrative, which is I'm just like getting paper cut to death before it actually plays out. They're saving it for the last 30 minutes, I guess. I don't understand why it's not happening already.
I don't know. It's good for scalps. It's not, like you said, it's not good for the whole bias.
I'm gonna have to go for a bike ride or something today, dude. I'm like so fucking demoralized by this price action. It's so hard to figure out what it wants, and the pressure of even on paper of being right is just like destroying my mental right now.
Oh, it's going to accelerate. Look at that.
Damn it, dude.
They just sliced through that BPR.
I'm not fucking selling. Gordon Gekko style. I'm not selling. I won't do it. Oh, trading will drive you insane, bro. If you don't have fun with it, it's just gonna drive you nuts. Just stuff like this.
Yeah, if you're going to tilt, do it on paper at least, right?
Mm-hmm. What was the average point difference? Yeah, like 14 points. Your keyboard, bro.
And Chad got sensitive ears with my mechanical keyboard.
I mean, anything's better than this, suffering through this shit, but it's like
Nails on a chalkboard would be better than this whatever janky ass price action.
Look, in every other situation, on any other fucking day, for any other fucking reason, I would have been shorting the ever-living fuck out of this shit all the way to the CE of this, expecting us to go for the low of this. But I just, until it happens, I don't see it today. Something is telling me that they're just going to fucking run this motherfucker all the way back up. And it was just revisiting this and this. But we'll see.
How many points was our ORG today? Was it like 400?
525.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I
it's
wonder
pretty-
if they're going to do that again. They just close this under and then like Globex open, it's going to run like 500 points again.
God damn, you're gonna make me fucking reposition again, bro. What the fuck? This is just relentlessly going. It's that grind that just doesn't fucking stop. But you know that as soon as you get in and try to inverse yourself, then it stops. I hate that so much.
I think maybe I'll be good and take some partials here actually. Oh, they said nah. Stay away from that TP here. Or I'll move it to 760.
Just do what? Just fucking pick a direction. At this point, just pick a direction, man. Or just get me out, bro. Just fucking take me to zero and do this already because I am so fucking sick of this shit. Just make up your mind. Come on. The reason I'm so frustrated, besides what I've already talked about, is the lack of sensitivity at the end of the day in a sensitive area after a huge fucking retracement, after nothing but downside, complete, relentless, never stopping grind to the downside. There should be some giant fucking end of day move to come back to the center. Whether that's happening now or this is just a fake out, I don't know. But that's what I've been trying to catch this whole fucking time. And it's not been the right method or strategy today, but I'm fully on tilt. I'm sure you guys can tell that. And it's difficult to walk away without fixing something. That's all she wrote, boys. They're going to get me on this one, I think.
They're edging me, bro.
It's just like watching paint dry, man.
I want that.
You guys trying to get your TPs hit on the shorts because it's playing with your fucking emotions right now. Just like
Yeah, do you see my chart? I have TP1 at 760, and they brought it to 763. They're like, eh.
Oh, it's
How
time
can
for
we mess with this
schooling.
guy?
Time to spool.
You know what? They OTE'd the 1227 candle. They reversed it. 757 was the 786 deviation, standard deviation. So we're gonna pump now out of this awful, god awful price action.
I don't see any imbalances until we hit like the 920s. So if they will finally let one of these fucking macros actually play out, dude. Today is just infested with manual intervention. Something is wrong, bro. Something is wrong, dude. Something is so fucking wrong.
They're using this BPR as support. This
It's way nastier than your standard, oh, we had a large overnight range. I get that. I
Yeah.
get that. But the behavior has been so much, whatever. Like we can talk about all day long, but you guys feel it, right? You know what it's been.
oh yeah.
So I've been saying short all day and it's been going down all day, but when I think everybody, it goes pumps.
When you take a screenshot, it goes up.
as soon as I pinged everybody, like, oh my God.
Where's P. John's at? Is he in a meeting? Is that why?
I think he's in here right now, just secretly trying to take comments because it's pumping.
I don't know, Luke. Do you think I should get out here?
No, I think you and Chadley can make money.
Well, isn't Chadley still long?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Until
sure.
I'm wrong again for the 18th time.
Yeah, I'm short 838.75, but they're about to hit the stop, I think.
No, it's gonna hit 816. Is that like an account or paper?
No, it's just paper.
Okay, it's gonna hit 816 and drop, I think.
816. Oh, the top of that wick.
Yes. Because we fund invest this BPR and this BPR on a 5 minute. It's gonna close below it. We're gonna smash through 700 easily. I'm sorry, Chadley, brother.
No, man, I'm praying for your trade to work out because obviously whatever I'm doing is just not whatever my brain was like thinking is just not playing out on time or the way that I wanted it to. Like it threw me for a loop here. Like this is literally where we got fucked every single time. Here and here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. God dang it, bro. What the fuck?
Is there a way to show both charts, Luke?
I wish, but what you can do is, hold on, I can put you on a different chart and you can just flip between them. Does that make sense? on the left side. Just flip between them by clicking on them.
Oh, okay. I got you.
I'm gonna buy one ETF account and I'm gonna show. I think if I can catch it in time. 29 bucks. Hopefully I can catch it.
Oh, TP1. Woo.
Oh, it's running without me. It's running without me, bro. No.
Nah, it's
As
gonna
soon
go
as I-
back up. Watch. It's gonna go back into this
It's
BPR
not.
and then drop.
It's not. It's not. Oh, I'm buying it right now. Hold on. Hopefully you'll have enough in my account. 8, 7, 9.
It's gone. I mean, we went down to $100. The account's fucking gone, bro. So
Oh, the paper one?
yeah, it's. I'm considering this done. Yeah, see, there we are. Negative. Fucking bitch. Oh my goodness, how fucking infuriating was today. Look at all these, man.
Let me one second.
I hope your TPs get hit immediately.
I got another one at 7:30, and then. Oops.
I bought that account. I'll show it. But bro, I just missed 50 points. Oh, not even 50 points. I missed 75 points by waiting to buy it.
From that drop here at the BPR, yeah.
I think one more.
What a day, y'all. What a fucking day, dude. This looks so yuck. All right, we're starting the account over.
You in a short now?
No.
Oh my god, Charlie. Go on.
I won't give him the satisfaction.
Am I gonna blow this account?
Where are you short from, Luke?
737. No,
I was
I'm
gonna
just
say,
looking
if you
buy
haven't
it now,
entered,
bro.
you might be able to enter in on this fair value gap CE at 761 or 764.
I've started with something that can actually support
yeah,
the
break
size
even,
that
you're
I'm
good.
swinging. So there's nothing to be done here, man. There's nothing I can do to try to get any upside move. The move I wanted didn't happen. They just didn't let it happen, man. Everything that I had seen before is that something crazy should have happened from there or there.
Yeah.
And just took like 17 fucking bad beats again. I'm exhausted, bro. I hope you make some money, my man.
Thanks, brother.
Oh, can we get my TP too?
I was clearly wrong and offside on that.
It's the target you called in the morning. I just held on to it.
Yeah, I was like refusing to see that they would be able to do that now because they had held off so long. And it's not, I mean, it just felt so gigantic of a gap that they wouldn't do the end of day run to the CE, but I guess that was the case. Hang on, let me see if I can compete. Enhance. Enhance. That's what I imagine what you're doing, Edison, every time is from Super Troopers.
Yeah, something more or less like that. They one-ticked me again.
At least you didn't buy the top tick like I did before.
Bro, they hit 730, but it didn't fill me. Man,
I don't know why he won't just come out and identify who's doing this. Like, who has the power? Like, what type of entity? Is it a person in Switzerland somewhere, a big-ass commodities trader that's fucking with the U.S. markets? Is it BlackRock that has majority ownership of the fucking S&P 500, essentially? Is it somebody who's got national security clearance that's sitting on a trade desk somewhere in the NASDAQ where the CEO or CME office is? What are we dealing with? Say something, bro. Fucking say something. Please. We've been trying to get that out of him for years, man. And he's just like, oh, fuck all of you. Fuck every single one of you. This information could really help you in your trading, but I'm just going to let you flop and flail around on the ground, you know, and just build your own model in these trash conditions and hope that you survive and don't go on tilt in a real account. But yeah, like if you were to know why and who and what was doing it, then they wouldn't stop because they don't give a fuck. Not enough people are going to stop trading, you know, big bank trades. Like, that's what they rely on. Their lifeblood is not you. It's harvesting other smaller whales. So why not just fucking tell us, bro? Like, why? Who is able to do this shit? Like, who is in here saying, nope, we're going the opposite way now, instead of letting the algorithm book its targets? I want to know so I could find them and punch them in the dick with a baseball bat with maybe some spikes on the end. I don't know. We'll see. But the point is, like, if we just knew if this was algorithmic or manual intervention and how to tell, like, give us a bright line defining way to say, is this manual intervention or not? And that way we know, not just this bullshit wishy-washy, some of these times and some of these days are prone to manual intervention. Okay, name them. Sorry, guys, I'm fully like crashing out right now, but I've been wanting to say this forever, and I don't think he ever hears it online or in comments from people who actually bring it up. He just fucking blocks them. He just goes, oh, I don't want to hear it, block, instead of being a fucking grown-ass man and saying, you know what, maybe my teaching style has left a lot to be desired or needed. So you guys take that for what you will. I love him. It doesn't sound like it today, but I do love him. And for what he's done for us, that's great. But some of this like egotistical stuff at the end, it's not looking so good, bro. Just help us out of these jams that we're in. This is really bad price action. We're in like a really bad time of the market. We could use anything you'll drop that's new. So anyways, I've been yapping all day and losing money. So is it whoever's winning? Why don't you show your fucking screen now? And let's get some positive endorphins back into the chat instead of this.
I'll share mine, but I'll probably leave this account because I'm looking for more than I want. I was at 1K. I was at 1,300. So now if it goes back like this much, I'll probably get trailed out.
On intraday?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
But it's a eval. It's a new eval from ETF. Should have took profits here, but I still think we go down here and even way around one of these at least. I don't even have my TP on them, just above them.
I still can't believe they actually made the move down. That was wild to me. And I know a lot of you are probably going to watch this stream afterwards and be like, you are fucking retarded, bro. Like, you are such a fucking idiot. How could you not clearly see institutional order flow, all these PD rays, all these? Yes, I saw them, bro. I saw them. But I was choosing to ignore them for narrative, because when you choose to ignore the PD ray for narrative and the jank comes, you catch these 300, 400 fucking point moves from the bottom. And, you know, me being the greedy fuck that I am today, that's what I was trying to do. So, anyways, GG's on your shorts. I'm glad you guys got it worked out.
Thanks, brother. But if it retraces like this, I was up 1300, so I have 3K. So if it goes up this much, I'll probably blow up.
Are you
Oh
you're
no,
100K or 25K or what are you doing?
100K.
Okay.
Come on, flush, baby, flush. Flush. I want to add, but if I add, I will have my stop loss. I'll probably trail out here.
Right.
I think it's
It's
gonna
the,
wick up and then drop instantly, same candle.
it's the phenomenon where they make it really clear where they want to go initially, and then they stop and pause, and then you get in on the stop and pause thinking they're going to continue, and then you just get it. Just like seems so difficult to give you at least even 2 points in your favor, but they can sure fucking go 12 points in a second against you. Type price action.
Yeah. You should trail down. Come on. We did close below this low, so if we get this high, we're gonna get sweep strategy along from market on close. But come on, it should start dumping now, bro. It should start dumping. It's been dumping all day.
It's
Now it's
gonna
gonna
do what
dump.
I want now.
Now it's gonna do what you want it exactly, bro.
They're gonna give me that catty wampus 400-point rocket ship at the very end instead of at the beginning of the macro like I wanted. Oh well. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
I wanna add more, but if it retraces one time, I will not be able to handle it.
So what if you just come down and trail and try to get stopped and take what you can take, like right now, like literally right now. Take what you
But
can
like,
take at the order block.
are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
But I
You
think
can
it's
always
gonna go
get another
here.
chunk.
I can always what?
You can always get another chunk later to get past what you need to get past. But
Oh,
now
this
you're
won't pass me. This will make me 300K. Oh, I know what you mean. Like I would get out here, come back to enter, and I re-enter again, right?
or on some other move, yeah, but just before they did this to you.
We're screwed, guys. We're screwed. Should listen to chat.
Where's the partials?
It's over, bro.
Where's the
It's
lamb
over.
sauce?
It is over, guys. It is over. It was a good fun. 1300 and 1K again, and none taken
If this is intraday trailing, then how are you not blown yet?
because it's 3K of drawdown. I lost 1300 here, so if I lose 1700 more, I'll blow out. Let's have a look. 1700 divided by 15, 113 ticks. If it comes in, I'll blow up. Even though I didn't lose anything, didn't win anything, but and this is a fast track account, so
They're
if I
pressing.
pass it, it will be free funded, like the notification fee.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and
They're
it's free. They
pressing
gave me 3
everybody.
points.
Everybody's 420's mentioned. Let's go.
420 mentioned. Let's go.
No, positive 420.
Stop going up, please. Please.
Nothing you do or say is going to make it any better, bro. You're locked in, my man. That's just part of it.
It's gonna stop me and then drop.
Talk your
No,
shit
no.
and do your thing because you let me sit there and bitch on stream. So thank you. I had to get that out.
You're welcome, bro. You're
It's a
welcome.
tough day today.
So
All right,
market
give it
close
to
in 1 minute. It's gonna
Give
wake up and then drop down. Watch, 100% it's gonna do this single like this. Wake up and then drop.
Don't put that evil on
50-50.
yourself, man.
All right, it's gonna wake down then up.
Yeah.
This VPR should protect me. But my TP, what's my stop loss? Oh, this is all my. This is all I have, guys. This is all I have. Oh my god. Next card is gonna take me out. Maybe I should get another one of those. Wait. Since they're free, I have like points.
No, don't reset till tomorrow or Asian session. If it cleans up in Asian, but I doubt it. Like after today, it was just
It's a free account.
fucking meat grinder.
Hold on, I'm buying right now. Oh no. Oh, it's gone. No. It's gone. But I just got another one for free. Hold on.
taking short at 7. Oh my lord.
Whoa, I told MOC, bro, but I don't trust that. Charlie, you got your palm, bro.
It's too little, too late.
Yeah.
Too little, too late.
And we're getting the sweep charged long. Oh my god. I want this guy to go all the way back down, though.
Now you're in
Time
the
to
will
buy.
my account reset fast enough before the move is done playing out that I really want to get on board with. That's the hill you're stuck in. I'm sorry, I don't wish it on anybody.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, so that was most definitely the move I wanted to see way up here.
Yeah.
From 2:55 p.m. that run that they tried to make an attempt to go. Do you see where the actual manual intervention started?
Yeah.
It started at 2:57. This whole look at the angle of this rundown.
Yeah. We swept the AM session loads. It's a free account. When you buy enough accounts, you get free accounts, I guess.
I think TPT does that, but it's nowhere near the level. You'd have to like blow through hundreds of accounts.
Yeah.
To get, it's
Yeah.
like, no thanks, bro.
Yeah. On ETF, it's you get like $6 per purchase.
Yeah, come on. What the? Get rid of your intraday trailing, then we'll talk.
Right.
That's
There
got
is,
me twice, bro. I last time I was 3,800, and then I got taken out on trailing, and then this morning, I was 2460, and then I got taken. I was just like, fucking salty.
I think we're gonna keep pumping until this candle finishes in 2 minutes, and then it's gonna flip down. Oh. But trailing drawdown is so gay. So we made $500. So we have 3.5K of drawdown. This is 2K. This is. Yeah, I think we're safe. I think we're safe here. Pretty much safe there.
Bro, do you
Go
see
ahead.
Waleed wilding out in the chat?
What's he saying?
Chode, code, and a choach.
Yeah, I remember telling you that. Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know, Luke. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you, man. Anything goes. It's MOC madness. It
I want to look
typically
for
goes up.
longs, to be honest with you, because we're getting the trash in a minute and a half. If he closes this, we're gonna get sweep long, which is pretty much nice, but I don't trust it. Actually, I want to trust it, but I don't want to trust it.
Does the ETF allow you to trade till 5 p.m.?
Yes.
That's nice.
There is end of day accounts on there, by the way. They're like $20. Nah, this is just madness, bro. This candle, what the hell, bro?
You had the disclaimer up there that we were just taking stupid paper trades, right?
Yes. Well,
Okay.
Well, Luke is not doing paper trading now.
I know.
It's like paper trade, bro.
Luke, I hate to tell you, but I'm longing this mock candle.
Bro, if it's real account, good on you, bro. I'm too late. I'm too deep in the water. Look at this candle, bro. This is the chart. This is what Charlie we've been waiting for like all day, bro. I swear.
All day.
Yeah.
The moment he
stubborn
stops,
for
he
this.
get it. Oh.
That's right. That's what I was afraid of that was going to happen. That's why I was so aggressively just getting to every low.
Oh no! Oh
It's
no!
all right, man. It's all right. This is just how it goes sometimes.
Bro, it's not even retracing. Like it's gonna close here and pump.
So then,
7 seconds.
So then, Is flipping and taking a small loss after taking the big loss worse than not flipping and getting stopped out? Or what do you want to do?
It's fine. I think it's gonna go down real bad, real bad.
Got it. ES sweep.
Yeah,
On
and in Q.
5.
So this is basically sweep strategy long, guys. I'm gonna guess the strategy, guys. When you do this, you lose. But I'm not gonna close it for $1,500.
We
I think
are
this
all 100% out of our minds today. They got every single one of us fully
It's
tilted, bro.
Just that type of day, I guess.
I'd want more. I don't think we have time to go down after this pump, bro. This pump has so much volume, as the retail say. Bro, it did not retrace a single second on this 5-minute candle, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god.
ICT,
Breaker block and
FPG.
FPGs. I think we got a chance, guys. We got a chance. We got a chance. Cheers, God. Nah, this is gonna pump up. Because the thing is, we don't have time. Like in 4 minutes, we're not gonna dump all the way down here, are we?
I'm just gonna
You know
tell
what?
you, anything can happen in MOC, bro. This could
Alright,
just
I
be the
added one more.
weirdest.
I added one more. I don't want it to come back to this high. Because if
I
it
love
does, it's gonna
you're
just keep
adding
going.
in premium. That makes me really happy to see you do that. Even if you're wrong, it's still a good ad.
Yeah. Because if it comes back to this high, it's gonna stop us out anyway on the pump. So might as well just add and
You know, why shouldn't I?
wait, hold on. I can't even afford this anymore. 1,500. This is whoa. Okay. This is 1,500. This is 2K. Oh shit! I can't even handle the high, bro. I can't even
Why
handle the
shouldn't
high.
I handle the high?
Hold on. Little bit of must. 166. Okay.
Just don't overstay your welcome if they give you a little cherry to the downside, okay? Take your dessert and go home.
You sure? I
Well,
wish I listened to you down there.
that's all right, man. I didn't want to be in your trade anyways, because that's nobody wants to have somebody in their fucking ear while so I'll just be quiet while you're in this.
Charlie, shall I flip the trade at break even if he gives it to me? Of course.
I think you're fully committed either way, man. The fact that you put it all on the line already means that you shouldn't flip out of anything, because then you're just going to have to do that risk again and introduce more variables. So if it's going to go down, it's going to go down to discount. It'll go at least to the 886s or so. Right on that wick in the halfway point where your choke is, if we are going to retrace, that's what it's going to seek as a discount target. Whether that happens, that's just your probabilities. But
I see it very bullish right now.
yeah, it seems like it. But
Okay.
I don't know, man. You're in one of those times where it's like you're already locked in, so you may as well see how it goes.
I think I'm gonna flip. If he gives me break even, Charlie, I think that's a good choice.
Okay, sure.
If he gives me, if you not even give it to me. Oh
I'm
no.
rooting for you, Luke.
Yeah, same here, bro.
Oh no.
He's
no.
preacher.
I'm bearish as fuck, but we don't have time for short, so I think it's gonna just go back up. Come on, give me out. No.
Wait.
Wait.
That's how I felt when I took that very last one. I was like, no. Wait.
Yeah, it came so close to my stop loss.
Can you take that 6 off? And you know what I mean? Like, that would be unnecessary spread, wouldn't it?
No, I want to be long.
Okay.
Oh, finally. All right. Bruh. Now I'm getting the down. Oh my
There's the
god! I would
EQ. There's the CE of that.
no, bro. I held all the. Oh my god! I wish I held that.
I'm sorry.
I'm not laughing
Bro.
at you, Luke. I'm laughing because I've had the same thing happen to me, I think, earlier on stream.
All right, shall we flip again?
No, come on.
No. Maybe just
How
hold it.
was I down 1500 in a second though, bro? If I held that trade for 3 seconds more, I would have been up 1500.
Tell the market to suck your dick and just continue holding whatever stubborn position you want. How about that?
I'm sure. I want to be sure, bro. No,
Or maybe.
it's too late, Chadley. I have this order block opening price. It may give me a little pump.
Oh, maybe. It's all going to be depending on whether that little tiny busy down there that it's working is going to be sensitive or not.
I'm trusting the sweep strategy long, bro. But I don't think I have enough drawdown. No.
Yeah, they might tag
No.
you first.
No. Oh, yeah.
Yo,
Let's go.
the jank!
Let's go.
From left field with the jank!
go.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go. Fucking hell, let's go.
You're not out yet, man, but that was
Oh. I'll take that. That's fine. I'm happy with that. Oh, yeah.
Woo.
We have this BPR, we have this 1 minute and order block, high quality order block, high quality FEG.
Bro, I gotta start
Premium.
drinking again or something. This is so fucking crazy stressful.
Oh no, it's freaking Chadley. Oh no, Chadley, it's freaking. Chadley's freaking.
Yeah, you're either gonna get it sucking back to the open and then pump all the way again, or this is rocket ship toast. Like they just gave you the fake out boost and then now it's gonna crash back.
Oh my god. Imagine if I just held on to that. I was down 1500, now I'm up 1800. I would have been.
You don't do it to him after that. Come on, don't be like that.
Come on, you give me a nice pump. Continue it.
No, you might be getting like a gigantic fucking run to the CE of the opening range gap at the end of the very fucking day. At the very fucking end.
I don't think it's gonna count me out at 2500, so which is pretty much below this level. If you just touch the stuff, keep blown.
Okay. Well, what are the chances you're going to recover trying to inverse yourself anyways? So, what do you want to do?
No, it's just I'm locked. Like I'm locked, not locked in. I'm just locked. I can't do anything right now.
Yeah, it's either this trade or bust at this point.
Return. Where'd you go, Jank? We miss you. That was the Natalie Portman of South Park for Jank. No.
Bro, I've been rewatching South Park. I just got to the Maury Povich episode where he's making
They're so good at like just getting to the heart of everything and making fun of every single person involved. I love it so much.
You know what's really funny to me is Isaac Hayes is Scientologist, and the whole time they're making fun of like every other religion, and then once they get to Scientology, he's like, "Nope, I'm out."
Yep. Don't do that to yourself. What happens if they spike it again? Yeah, there you go.
Chef will be missed.
When did he die? I forgot.
No,
2000.
he left the show. He didn't die.
Oh, well, yeah, I knew that. I thought.
Or I don't think
You
he's
just
dead.
meant the character chef.
Oh,
Okay, my bad.
ICT, breaker block and BPR.
Okay, it's dead.
Yeah, it's after 4.
Boy.
I needed to tap this line and then pump. I don't know if it will let me still hold on to the position by then.
Does ETF automatically kill your trades after 4:15?
No, it ends at 5 p.m.
Ah,
But you'll have to close it manually. All right, we tapped it. Come on, now it should pump. Now it should pump. Now it should pump. Now it should pump. No, it should pump.
Dude, did you literally survive for like $100, man? I hope I get
It's
it.
pumping.
I hope I
It's
get
pumping.
it.
It's pumping. It's pumping.
When the market's like this and we're just getting beaten down to a pulp on everything we try, it reminds me of how a chicken passed a prop firm evaluation. And it's
Oh
like,
god.
sometimes it truly is just 50-50 slop.
I don't know. Shall I get out break even if he gives it to me?
I think that you're locked in, and if you are willing to suffer so much downside, then you should be willing to blow it or suffer some, equivalent upside or better.
The thing is,
And-
we have no time. It's just gonna the next 3 minutes is gonna just do what it's doing right now.
Well, you said you could trade till the end of the actual day, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't move.
It does. It gets real violent at the end of the day. There will be
Don't we
one
have
extreme
earnings? We're supposed to have
wiki
earnings.
violent. Doesn't have to be earnings. No, it's very rare that you'll get this really pitter pattery, just a couple points up, couple points down consolidation close. It usually gives you some measure of some very strong, crazy move right after everybody can't trade in props anymore, like 3 or 410, 415, somewhere around there.
Yeah. If this kind of flips red, we are gonna be destroyed. Oh, we have a breaker block here. Nice.
It could end up being a gray pool also. Notice those candle wicks.
Yeah. Well, we're screwed. We're screwed. 2 pumps and none of them held. Here we go.
Don't do it to them. Oh man. The hardest easy way to make money.
Right? Come on, do something. How many people are still watching?
you got 13 people in the stream.
Kudos for them, bro.
They're probably rooting for you too.
You would hope so. Hey, Grace and Glory's got TPT account now. 50K.
Yeah, he does.
Yes, sir.
No
go.
more of those Apex. Ew.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, speaking up. Come on, baby. Thank you. You know I love you.
No, we don't. We just pretend we do because it pretends it loves us.
She's gonna hear you, bro. She's gonna hear you.
Phil.
Bro,
What
after
are you
today, I just want to
think-
trade RTY.
Right?
Silent and
Yeah.
I tried that. We thought the same thing back in November when it was really gnarly last year. So fuck it, we'll just go trade RTY.
How'd that
or
go?
Not Will.
So it is pumping. I think I get out break even and at market open, I'll smack the same trade.
But think about this. Think about this. How far down below the 800s did it go?
30 points.
Okay, so how far above feasibly can it go?
30 points.
Okay, and if it's going to go a little higher than that, then where's an array somewhere to the left that makes sense for it to go to?
This order block.
Or the halfway point of that giant wick to the left?
Yeah.
That one, yeah. Yep. Which would be right before the return to rejection block if we get it.
But tell me, if it touches break even and then it goes back to 0 and you know that I can't, what should I do?
Is
Well,
Chad, is the rejection block that the wick followed by the wick of the green candle from Mock followed by the red?
Break even, break even, break even.
It is the body of that giant red candle to the left of
Got
where
it.
price is, up
Okay.
to the top of the green wick.
Oh,
it
so
play
this
out.
whole, so his whole like trade here is basically in the rejection block.
Well, no, the one above his sell limit,
Oh, okay.
that's the rejection block.
Oh, okay. I see it now.
Thanks, Chizzy. I appreciate it, bro.
Guys,
Yeah, it
we have
seems
to
like it's
decide.
consolidating, but they might seek a premium of this most recent dealing range, so it's up to him. We'll see what he wants to do.
No, I want to get our break
Yeah,
even. but I
you got
think-
some guys concerned for you in the chat. That's nice to see.
Yo, guys, price might be consolidated. Yeah, Seriously, I agree, bro, but I don't know. I don't know.
Do you
We're
see
in profit right now.
do you see the choke line, Luke? This
Yeah,
might make you feel
yeah.
a little bit better. It would make sense to me for them to at least come revisit that again. And do you see where the tiny cibby is? Oh, okay.
You want me
If-
to keep it that? Is that what you're saying?
No. I'm just telling you that those are to be used as a barometer for the next thing that's about to happen in price. Should I close at break even or should I hold? Is going to be determined by can we reach and stream and hopefully close with a body above that wick with your green line there. So what that tells you is then you've got to suffer through some retracements where it keeps sucking back into the candle and back into the previous wick. And I think you've been through most of that already. So now we see what's going to happen.
We have this 5-minute FEG
Do you see
and
the
order block.
that
open
right there,
price.
the order block open? Yeah, that's good. You're already picking them out by yourself. Yes, exactly. So these are all like first trouble areas or places that you want to see it draw towards. Ultimately, I would want to see it come all the way up to that where you had your shit before.
No, Charlie, we're up $400. Now we're down 150.
How
Charlie,
what?
Charlie.
How much are you
Scott?
up on this account?
Sorry?
How much are you up on this account?
I'm 100, 200, $300 right now.
Oh, okay.
400, 500.
If you
Charlie,
feel
what do I do?
better about it, then peel 2 and go to break even. If you want to do something like that, you can.
I don't know what to do.
Go to break even first and accept getting taken out of your trade. If that's
It's gonna
you can
bounce
do
from this.
that. Yeah,
It's
that's
gonna
a
go back
happy
to break
medium. Hey, what are you doing, fella?
Yeah,
So-
it's touched the order block. Now it's gonna drop.
Oh, well.
I was gonna tell you to take a partial at the order block, but it didn't
was
even make
trying
it to the
to.
order block.
Yeah, I was trying to do this FPG and this order block, but then I didn't want to put my stop loss at break even because it's gonna touch this 5-minute FPG and it's gonna drop retrace.
Well,
it's gonna just
taking
stop me out
partials
anyway.
first would have put you net profit, but that's fine. Just you're gonna have to suffer through whatever this is, man. If you can go till end of day, then you might as well just, I don't know, make a decision. Do you want to break even if you get the chance again, or do you want to
What would
wait
you
for-
do? What would you do?
I would have held it, taken those 2 at the order block, which never came, so I'd still be holding it right now.
Alright,
Just
okay.
the 2. Just the 2.
Oh, Charlie.
Oh no.
Yo, you gotta pick it the
Shoot.
first time to, you know the drill. You know the drill.
Okay, so I am bearish. The sweep strategy is telling me to go bullish. Whenever I fade the sweep strategy, I lose. We don't have time. We hit break even, we didn't close. We made $500, we didn't close.
Yeah,
Damn.
you're going through the narrative in your brain. That's good. That's a good exercise, man.
I don't want exercise. I want
You
profit.
got to make a positive list and a pro con list of what should I do type thing in every decision, and it sucks when you're trying to find a trading view to make it happen.
I think we retraced all the way. We expected this into this auto block at Fiji and on the 1 minute as well. Changed the delivery. We bounced from it. We got the displacement, so I like that. And this reaction, this drop is healthy because of this 5 minute. So I think we can still hold, guys.
Is that what you're on? You're on the 5 minute right now?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a new 15-minute candle coming in.
Oh no. Oh yes, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
So
Your
if we do
target
have this auto block,
go a little bit further up, and that's where you would be taking your 2 instead of 3. I'd put that target at 50s, honestly.
you mean 2 at the auto block?
Mm-hmm. And then the runner, just hold it for 50s or above.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that works.
That was the original plan, but they just never got it. They just gave you that baby gap, and that was it.
We're back to break even, Charlie. What do I do?
Stick to the plan.
Okay.
Take your stop off because it's not aligned with your.
No, it's because what I hit to
Yeah. Okay, sorry, my bad.
I'm gonna move it straight to break even, I think.
You having to manually order manage? You're a fucking genius, sir. Multitasker.
Here, sir, we predict the future.
You might be running that a little tight, my friend. Yeah, there you go. Oh,
That good enough?
No, that's egregious.
We can't even afford. We can't afford that anyway. I bet you $10 is gonna touch this without filling us in, and it's gonna drop.
No, it'll get you. Just wait for it, because it's got to do an ERD of that wick that it just made. It's got to go up and test that order block again. It's going to put a body over that small, tiny-ass little fucking thing. Since it wants to come up there again, even though it rebalanced it, why? Well, probably because it wants to get back above it. Does that make sense?
Charlie, yeah. When I hit TP, do I put my stop loss at break even?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's always the rule.
Let's go. We filled one. Where's the other one?
Oh man!
I
told you. I told you. You guys owe me $10. You guys owe me $10. It didn't fill it. Look, see, it didn't fill it. It filled only one. Oh shit! What am I gonna do?
All day.
That orange fair value gap is going to have to be it's going to have to hold on to that like a rock climber and grind its way up.
Let's fucking go, Chad. Let's fucking go, Chad.
Just keep it.
Let's fucking go,
All right,
Chad.
where's the target at?
What am I targeting?
Higher than that, please. Can you give me some more price action on the screen?
Yeah, of course.
Go to
God, we hit it.
Go to those highs, but they got them. They got you already.
Bro, this was the most entertaining 20 minutes ever.
Thanks for volunteering your ETF for that.
Thanks for. We're off 1K. What the fuck? Thank God.
Positive slippage. Good for you.
Thanks for playing, as Charlie says.
I had my own thanks for playing. The first day of the stream was fucking horrible, and then this has just outpaced it this time. I'm glad I can help somebody make some money. Well,
thanks, bro. We got 16 people at right now, bro. The market is closed. What are you guys doing on a stream? They just love us.
I love them too. Anybody who's a trader has to be a little bit insane and go through a lot of pain and heartache and terribleness in their own life to be, be even willing to stick with it. You're on the right side of history. So good job,
guys. We were like 2 ticks away from the win.
Oh man!
Oh my God! Charlie is running.
I know. I told you 50s or higher, bro. But it's okay.
It hit me with full moving. Yeah, I didn't expect the big
I know
pumps.
you would have hit those at relative equal highs there with the limit. Yeah.
Oh, that would have been an extra 500. Okay, thank God. I'm happy, bro. We hit 1K. We didn't blow.
End of the day, there's nothing more you can do. This is giving the run that I wanted this whole day. So whatever.
At least we got it on this account, bro. Not a paper account. We got an actual account. The pump you
Right.
wanted, we got an actual money.
that that makes me feel better. Right? It wasn't wasted on paper.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Uh,
All right. So how far do you have to go on this one?
you mean to pass it?
Mm-hmm.
5K more.
5,000.
Yeah. I just opened it for this trade, like for free. It's a free account.
Oh, I see.
And it's a fast track, so if I pass it, I just get the funded without paying anything.
Right.
Oh my god, Chad, look at the pump, bro. With
I'm
20
still
minute
in
past pocket
that
close.
mock long.
Don't be tempted, man. Don't be tempted. You did your work. You survived some impossible odds already.
What's his name? Anything is in a 420 long. Up
Yes.
just shy of 900 mil.
I didn't even have enough
was it
margin
420?
on paper to do the 420 long.
Oh my god, that's jokes.
Dude, I started with $1 million. I'm at
Oh
I'm
no.
at 4.6.
It was pumping, sadly. No.
It's all right, man. It's all
Imagine
right.
holding the 3 contracts, bro. That would have been
Yeah, it's been a pretty nice run.
5K, bro. Oh my god.
Don't sweat on it. Just get your ass on paper and get a big size trade in right now so that you can get the learning experience in.
Like anything?
It doesn't have to be unreasonably large. That's just for goofballness that we do.
I think I'm in a long before.
Try
I'm
like
sure.
something legitimate like 10 or 6 or 7 and go long. Go long.
Something reasonable. Only 10. 10 is very reasonable, ladies and gentlemen.
And then let's do not enough. Previous month low. Let's go up there.
Bro, the market is
Right there, that's fine.
pretty dead market right now.
Right there, that's fine.
Bro.
Okay, so let's look for a place for your stop. Can you mark out the Shisha block or whatever the fuck we're going to call it? I'm going to have to go look in 2023 and see what he calls that thing. Yeah,
This one?
wick thing to the wick. Yeah, that dealio.
Oh, but we also
No.
have this Chabli, look.
Is this
No,
wait?
the balance block. I see it.
Are you on
Balance
paper?
block.
Lou?
No, I'm on a funded real account, personal account right now.
Wait,
You're really
on-
long 10
No,
minutes.
he's on paper. He's on
Okay.
I'm on paper, bro. Teddy, can I at least take like 9 contracts off here?
Well, if it's going to get there, it's going to get to 20s. So why not take a look to the left and see what's over there? Okay.
We have this breaker block
All
and a
right.
jade block. No, we don't have a jade block.
No, not really. You got a lot of wick action there, so it's probable that the quarter of the wick is a nice, safe, conservative area, or just a flat top. Yeah, you could do that. That's fine. And that's pretty damn close to the 20s, isn't it? 5
And it's a
points is
clean number. It's 10K.
You're gonna get out the whole bit. That's fine.
Oh,
No, that's fine. That's fine. It's the end of the day. Add more.
I wish I took this on the actual account though. Bro.
Add more.
0 drawdown.
Add more. Thank you. Thank you.
Hold on. Four two.
Okay. Oh, I see you.
And 69 profit. 420 and 69.
That's awesome. It was meant
Hold
to
on,
be.
hold on. 69 420. Let me see if I can get it.
You may have to manually adjust it with the order trade management window. Yeah, there you go.
Ah, it doesn't let you. Oh shit, Charlie, what happened?
It's sucking back into itself, like Marilyn Manson.
Hold on. Let's try something. So this is a balance block, right? If we enter here, we go sweep Charlie's long as well. And
It's
if our
trying
stop
to
loss
be.
is at this swing low, is this a swing low?
Doesn't look like it, no.
I don't want to
Hey,
put
we
it
got
in.
the NQ long.
Yeah.
The charge.
No way we get this mark. Maybe when the market opens, we're gonna get a gap up. I can feel a big ass gap up. Oh, Charlie.
Give me previous week high.
Where's that? Whoa,
19
that's 300K.
This is the move I was looking for because it just didn't seem right that they would allow everybody to be so profitable from the morning and not upset somebody at the end somehow out of their position. So I don't know. Hopefully we'll continue it. This is what I wanted to see, something aggressive and strong and continue to the upside. Do you see how they're double stacking that array?
Yeah. TP1 hit, guys. TP1 hit. I just took out 20 ounce. Oh, Charlie. Oh my god, Charlie. Oh.
All right,
I wish I held her, bro.
take 15 off.
Take
Oh,
20
okay,
off.
that's fine. Yeah, no problem. Now go to, yes. Yep. Go to break even, sir. You can't lose money on this trade anymore.
Yes, sir. Charlie, we had the perfect entry, bro. Right there.
I know.
And our stop loss was the perfect stop.
I didn't want you to sweat it, so I wanted you to do what you wanted to do. And before you can move your shit up anyways, they got you. So
Yeah, and we tapped this rejection block as well. Should I take a couple up as well?
see what the initial reaction does. Go to the 1 second.
We hit TP on ES as well. Bro said 1 second.
There you go.
Charlie, we dumped him.
That'll give you an early warning.
Accumulation, manipulation, distribution.
Yeah.
I feel our stop loss is too tight though.
I'll just leave it.
Oh, it's not tight actually.
You see those relative equal highs right up there by previous quarter low? Yeah.
Those?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my TP1 area.
I'm just playing Charlie's long-awaited long.
Thank you. I'm glad somebody could do it. Pick up the mantle and run where I fell.
It's so funny, man. I've been wanting shorts all day, and you've been wanting longs all day, and then at the end of the market, we just flip the tables. I'm looking for longs.
I've got an extra mag of ammo in my pocket if you need it. Squad wipe in queue.
You got a break a block.
Take it off my dead body from my paper account. Oh man, I still have like a little bit of a headache from how fucking insane that was, dude. Come on, let him in. Let him in. Let him have it. Don't take him out. Come on.
Whoa. I don't believe this is the move that happened post-market, though. Like, what the hell?
This is a good learning opportunity. Just keep it still, and just look how we react to the premium and discount of the wick prior to this candle that we're working. And is there a way to extend your purple blocks at all? Oh, that's an automated thing. Okay.
Our bot chat, no? The bot probably took this trade. Let's have a look. Oh no, it didn't because this is after 3:30. It didn't take this one. He didn't take any today. Good on you, bot. Tried to go up 6K.
Let's go. So you have the same phenomenon as why I was trying to get you to long before, or one of the reasons why. Look where your red dotted line is, that wick that it's going for again, to the left. Follow that line to that one right there. That's an old reference point. It makes sense it would make an attempt to get there. It doesn't have to even get to the level of it, but it should make a run towards it.
Yeah.
And, you know, if it gets held down by the wick that's currently working, then so be it. But
Yeah, I
to
think
see
it's playing
it
this
there,
midpoint of
maybe-
this.
yeah, that's a high probability move to see it at least attempt it.
Out was that?
Yeah, balance block. Look at that.
Oh shit, balance block. Add more.
Sure. After all, why shouldn't I? Only two, eh? How strange. Ooh.
So if we get balance block, I think we can just leave the stop loss below it
Mm-hmm.
once he pumps up.
Oh no, man, that volume imbalance looks pretty juicy. We'll see.
They're about to get stopped out. What should I do?
Leave it alone and let it happen. And say, thank you, sir, may I have another?
Thank you, sir. May I have another?
That's right.
Bro, if we held on to this long chat view, bro.
I know, dude. If I had
Like a
got
funded TPP.
before it went 80 points in my favor, I would have been flush today requesting a payout, that's for sure.
Oh, it's painful, bro.
You gotta take the good with the bad.
We get another chance.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh no.
We're playing.
Thanks for playing. Oh, all right, guys. I think it's time to play tomorrow.
Ooh. What do we have on the econ calendar before we dip out?
Let's have a look. I think unclaimed. Let's have a look. Wednesday? No, that's Thursday. No, Wednesday. Yeah, Thursday. Today's Wednesday, right? Unemployment.
Bro, it's teleporting.
Unemployment. Claims.
Okay.
At 8:30. All right, guys.
There's not much. Okay, Luke, I just want to leave you with this.
Yeah.
There's a movie, you've probably seen it. It's called Couples Retreat.
Yeah, I will love it.
And the kid's peeing in the store while he's talking on the cell phone into the display toilet, the show toilet.
Yeah.
And he walks over and he's like, that's not a real toilet. He's like, oh, it looks like one. And the employees are just like, what the fuck? And they're looking at him and he's like, there's not a lot to say here. And he just like walks off. That's how you end a stream like today.
Yeah.
So there's not much to say here. And then we just dip.
Yeah. That's a good way to end that. I don't know how to end this stream. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, being with us for 4 hours on this stream and 3 hours on the other one. We made a lot of money today. Some of them were paper, some of them were real trades. We ended the day good as well. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and join our Discord because we're talking there 24/7, even if we're not on the stream. With that being said, see you guys. Peace out.